This is a basic overview of the WebbySpace platform. Starting at the top, Dashboard takes you back to your account. Settings has site presets, which have settings such as the page background color or colors you might use on a frequent basis. Interface branding allows you to change the color of certain highlighted elements, as well as light and dark modes of the interface. Pages allows you to access your currently created pages, as well as creating new pages. You can reorder the pages themselves, which changes the menu. Blog and store are self-explanatory. They take care of those, and we'll talk about those in another tutorial. Edit has functions that you would see in other Windows programs. You can also access editing options by right-clicking on a selected element. View has some options we'll go over later. The middle section helps with layout and with your mobile versions. The layout tool allows you to automatically center multiple elements within WebbySpace and has options such as how much padding you want on the objects. These buttons take you to the different versions of screens for your website, which allow you to change the versions without affecting the layout of other versions. On the right side, you have undo and redo buttons, an update of your last save. Currently, we are in the design function of WebbySpace. You can also go to content, which allows you to just change text or change images, but not to move them. Preview gives you an idea of what the website would look like if it were to go live. Publish then publishes your current save, allowing you to go to that page and see what it now looks like. Below the top menu is your different opened pages. You can open new pages by clicking the plus button and going to that page. On the left, you have the Elements panel, which allows you to drag and drop new elements onto the page. We'll go over this in another tutorial. On the right side, you have Layers, Properties, and Design. Layers is a list of all the current objects on your page. Properties are the specific properties of an element. As you select, the properties may change because you're selecting a different element. Design would be things such as where it's positioned on the page, its width, its height, its color, fill, stroke, and shadow. The middle section is your editing space that allows you to move the objects as you will. As you move objects, you have guidelines to help you stay centered and align your objects. The lines on the left and right are suggestions to keep your content within those lines because of varying desktop sizes. This line here tells you when your content section ends and your footer begins, and this is where the footer ends. That is a basic overview of WebbySpace.